Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to be creating this poster design in Adobe Illustrator using the 3D classic effect. Okay, and I have two versions here. I have this version which has the right up completely flat in color. Okay, there's no shading to it, and we have this other version which has some shading applied to it. Okay, so all of them will make you know that the right up was made out of a sphere, right? And that's what we're going to be achieving right away in Adobe Illustrator. So open Adobe Illustrator, open and come to the projects folder and choose the creativity poster and click on open. So we have the file here, and these are the two versions. So I'm going to start by duplicating one of the artboards to have the artboard where I'm going to create mine, or create a new version, then delete everything here. So the first thing to do is to come and select the ellipse tool and just draw out an ellipse, and I'll give it a color so I can see what I'm doing. So give it a color and come and select the rectangle tool and draw a shape like this, and we can see that we have drawn the shape on the other half of the ellipse, right? So select the both of them and shape builder tool and hold down alt and delete the left side of the shape. Kind of just centralize everything like this. And the next thing to do is select the guy, maybe give it a bright color, go to effects and then 3D classic, and sorry, not extrude, effects 3D classic and revolve. Now this has created this sphere for us, and the next thing we should do is just kind of bring this to the middle like this. And one thing I think we should do is kind of increase the size like this. Okay, just stretch it like this so as to give it this spherical shape. Okay, so it's not meant to be a perfect circle. And if you remember from our previous video where we learned about the 3D and how to map objects on our 3D, we learned that we need to create symbols, right? Because it's only symbols we can map, and it means we need to turn this text to a symbol, And when you come to symbols, all you need to do is to drag in the text and you're able to type the name and save it. And if you just look at the symbol panel here, you see that we already have it because I created it to create this effect here. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is select the guy here, go to appearance and double click, and then I'm not changing any other thing here. All I am doing now is click on map art and come to symbol and select this symbol. Okay, so just drag it to this side like this and just scale it up to the point where we are okay. Yeah, and basically this is how I achieved the effect. All I then did is made the geometry invincible, right? And then click OK, and let's just click OK for now and give it a background. So I'm going to select the background here and drag them, and already you see the effect has been achieved, right? Perfect. Now that's for the first version, which is this one. For the second version, all we needed to do, all I did was I clicked on this shade artwork, and then I just reduced the light intensity a bit and also the highlight intensity. Okay, and basically that's it for this one, and okay, and then we are done. So I don't want this particular one to have the shading, so I'm just going to remove the shading. And since you already understand how we have been able to achieve it, okay, and then the next thing will be to select our elements, copy them to our new artboard, and just centralize them, and maybe make this guy a bit bigger. And yeah, there we go, we have our effect clean and looking good. Okay guys, so that will be it for this video. See you in the next one.